66th Children's Day celebrations to mark Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birth anniversary. November 14 is the birth anniversary of India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The day is also celebrated as Children's Day every year. Nehru was popular among children and considered them to be the future of the nation. He also wanted them to be nurtured lovingly and carefully. The day celebrates and raises awareness for their rights, care, and education. Children's Day was traditionally celebrated on November 20 as demarcated by the United Nations in 1954. However, after Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's demise in 1964, Parliament passed a resolution and decided to celebrate his birthday as Bal Divas or Children's Day every year.
Good morning to all my dear kids. So, dear kids, wish you a very happy Children's Day. Yes, so Bal Divas is celebrated every year on 14 November. It makes the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Yes, dear kids, so today is the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru. Mr. Nehru was very fond of kids and therefore his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. He was lovingly called Chacha Nehru by everyone. Chacha Nehru said that children are the future of the nation and believed that they should all get a good education. He worked very hard to provide every child good learning, experience, and knowledge. He wanted the children to learn moral values and become good human being. So this day is celebrated of childhood, innocence, and hope for future. So once again, wish you a very happy Children's Day. God bless you all.
My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day which is dedicated to all of you. I believe every child, every one of you brings love into this world. When I see you, my heart fills with joy and happiness. In your shining faces, I see hope. I see your brighter tomorrow. In your radiant eyes, I see the promise what you will achieve. My dream is to see your dreams comes true. So dear students, make us proud, make your parents proud, make your teachers proud, make your school and whole nations proud. My heartful thanks, my heartful wishes, my heartful love to all of you. Okay, happy Children's Day.
Dear children, happy Children's Day to all. Children, the greatest legacy one can pass on to one's children and students is not money or other material things accumulated in one's life, but rather a legacy of character, faith, and honesty. An honest person is always known for his or her honesty, just like a sun is known for his eternal light and unlimited energy. Like an honest student, shows good behavior, always follow rules and regulations, maintain discipline, speak the truth, and is punctual. Being an honest student means regular in your classes, completion of assignment on time, regular practice in writing as well as completing of all that is assigned to you. Prepare thoroughly for assignment and exam so you are not tempted to cheat. Dear children, nothing will make us happier than watching you grow up to be even a better human being than we are. Meeting all the wonderful students in this journey gave me an opportunity to learn something new from each one of you. May the innocence in your smiles and the purity of your heart and soul stay forever unfaded. Wishing a joyful Children's Day to all of you. Thank you.
बच्चों, हम आज बताते हैं ये बाल दिवस क्या होता, ये बाल दिवस क्यों होता। ये तो तुम सबने सुना ही होगा, दुनिया राम चलाते हैं, बैकुंठ छोड़कर बच्चे बन भगवान धरा पर आते हैं। जिनको छल कपट नहीं आते, भगवान वहीं रम जाते हैं। इसलिए तो बच्चे दुनिया में भगवान का रूप कहाते हैं।
अगर महल बनाना हो ऊंचा तो नींवें ठोस अटूट रखो। भारत को पंख लगाना है तो बच्चों को मजबूत करो। उनके सपनों को पलने दो, ये फूल चमन में खिलने दो। तब ऋतु बसंती आएगी, भारत के भाग्य जगाएगी।
बच्चों, आज हम बताते हैं ये बाल दिवस क्या होता है, ये बाल दिवस क्यों होता है। प्यारे बच्चों, तुम खूब पढ़ो, खेलो कूदो, एक नाम करो। इस वतन को श्रेष्ठ बनाना है, निर्मित होकर निर्माण करो। निष्ठा हो भारत माता से, भारत से भाग्य विधाता से। इस देश को स्वर्ग बनाना है, सच्चाई से तुम कार्य करो।
तो आज हम बताते हैं ये बाल दिवस क्या होता है, ये बाल दिवस क्यों होता है। थी बड़ी सोच, मौलिक सपने बच्चों के प्यारे चाचा के, जिनको नेहरू जी कहते हैं, भारत के वीर जवाहर के। नेहरू चाचा का जन्म दिवस इसलिए तो देश मनाता है। यह तिथि नवंबर 14 का दिन बाल दिवस कहलाता है। बच्चों, हम आज बताते हैं ये बाल दिवस क्या होता है, ये बाल दिवस क्यों होता है।
बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब पढ़े। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब पढ़े। या फिर खेल के मैदान में जम कर हो ये सब खड़े। या फिर खेल के मैदान में जम कर हो ये सब खड़े। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब पढ़े। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब पढ़े।
बच्चे परिवार की शान है, देश का वो मान है। बच्चे परिवार की शान है, देश का वो मान है। बच्चे सबका है सम्मान, भारत माँ का स्वाभिमान है। बच्चे सबका है सम्मान, भारत माँ का स्वाभिमान है। स्वाभिमान बन के उभरेंगे बच्चे, सच्चाई के सच में जो ढले। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जो पढ़े। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जो पढ़े।
बचपन जीवन का है आधार, बचपन में शक्ति है होती अपार। इस शक्ति का जो हो सही संचार, तो मिलता जीवन को सही आकार। वो बच्चा देश का गौरव बने, जो हर रोज खुद से ही लड़े। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब पढ़े।
बच्चों तुम हमारे हो, हमको तुम बहुत प्यारे हो। भविष्य के तुम उजियारे हो, हमारे राज दुलारे हो। बाल दिवस पर यही है कामना, काम करो तुम बहुत बड़े। बच्चे छोटे हो या बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब बड़े। अच्छे लगते हैं जब बड़े, अच्छे लगते हैं जब बड़े। To my dear student, I wish that you never give up in your life. You are a fighter and a winner in life. Wish you a very happy Children's Day to you. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear children. Wish you all a very happy Children's Day. Children's Day, the birthday of the great son of our country, the great statesman of our country, the first Prime Minister of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the great freedom fighter, his role in our freedom struggle is always foremost. Today we respect him for all the sacrifices that he made for our mother India. A great orator, a wonderful writer, somebody who understands this nation in all its dimensions. His book, The Discovery of India, is a vivid testimony to this fact that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru knew a lot about history, about geography, about vision of our country. So today is a wonderful day when we remember and pay our homage to this great son of our country, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Well, this is also the day when we reflect over all the strengths and all the possibilities that are there in our children. Our children, they have wonderful hopes lying there in themselves. In them, we have great sons and daughters of the future. In them, we have great scientists of the future. In them, we have great administrators of future, great entrepreneurs of future, great citizens of future. So, my dear children, it is on your shoulders that the future of our country rests. I'm sure you will take very good care of yourself. I'm fully confident that you will streamline your working, you will take care of your work pattern, and you will believe in your hard work. Stay happy, stay cheerful, stay exuberant. It is this exuberance that always suits you, but make sure that all your strengths are properly channelized and all your strengths are used for the development, for growth of our Mother India. God bless you all. Happy Children's Day once again.